Hello, I'm Michael, the General Manager of ZY Caraok. Today, I will introduce to you a star model in the EV charging station industry. It is XC. XC is the first star model of ZY Caraok portable EV charging station. It is movable, power from 7 kW to 40 kW, and it supports CCS2, CCS1, ChAdeMo, GBT. Also, it is compatible with 2 charging guns. This feature is perfect for families with 2 EVs of different standards, such as CCS2 plus GBT. With only 1 extra charging gun, you can use a portable fast charging pile to solve the problem of fast charging 2 EVs of different standards. It is economical and convenient. As long as you have an XC portable DC fast charging station, you can charge all over the world. With this unique feature, XC has won a good reputation in Southeast Asia, Brazil, Russia, and especially European countries. XC has 3 charging methods. The first is plug and charge, the second is password charging, and the third is book charging. Very simple and easy. ZY Caraok, new energy EV charging pioneer, leading the new technology trend in EV charging industry. Your satisfaction is always our greatest pursuit.